Paris, a paradise for lovers of history and culture. Welcome, dear travelers, to the charming city of Paris, a city full of history and culture, where romance flourishes and memories are made. Paris is truly a paradise for lovers of history and culture. With its iconic landmarks, world-renowned art and rich tradition of entertainment. As you stroll through the charming streets of Paris, you will be captivated by the beauty of the city's architecture. From the majestic Eiffel Tower to the intricate Notre Dame Cathedral, Paris is a treasure trove of historical monuments. The Louvre, home of the enigmatic Mona Lisa, is a must-see for any art lover. And as you stroll through the bustling streets, you are sure to come across a masterpiece of street art that adds a unique touch to the city's vibrant atmosphere. Paris is also the city of love, and the Seine River is the perfect setting for passionate walks. As you take a boat ride on the Seine, you'll enjoy stunning views of the city skyline and the romantic lights of the Parisian night. The Seine is also a paradise for lovebirds, and many couples camp on the banks for a special date. The French capital, also a center of culture and entertainment. From opulent theaters to lively music venues, Paris has something for everyone. The Louvre Museum houses an incredible variety of art, from the Renaissance to the present day. And as you explore the city, you'll discover a world of culinary delights, from delicious pastries to exquisite wines and cheeses. And so ends our tour of the most emblematic places in Paris. We hope that you have enjoyed the trip and that you have been left wanting to know more about this fascinating city. If you have any questions or suggestions, do not hesitate to leave us a comment. Subscribe and like the video to help the channel. See you next time.